Okay, still testing out this 15-minute IBR breakout or range day. So we're going to go ahead and mark this up. 15-minute candles. Just going to go here, get the region. This 15-minute candle here was right at R2. So that is our 15-minute zone. 15-minute candles. What I have on here is the 9 exponential moving average, the 200 exponential moving average, which is the blue here. And I've got 15-minute open zone from 8:30 to 8:45. Also, I have the resistance levels and the support levels. Pivot point is right here. And we made a new low at the open. So this is the high of the day. So far, this is the low of the day. This is the 15-minute candle. Right now, we're back into the 15-minute range. Just waiting to see what happens. And this is the NQ. We're just looking for some scalps. I'm going to scalp 4 contracts, 10 tick, take profit. I'm going to put this at 30. Looking to get in and out of these trades pretty quickly. Just reading the price action here. Just looking to get a few trades in. So this is the low of our day. Came right down to the pivot point as soon as the 8:30 candle opened up. As you can see, there was liquidity down here, and the market's been trending up. Of course, the market's going up ever since the election. So this is actually, this 15-minute candle opened up, and we came down, made a new low. So we're at a new low there. 200 is down here, the S1 is down here. Just looking to get a few trades in. Scalping NASDAQ. So we're going to go on a pullback since we're getting down.
Order submitted.
Looking to get 10 ticks. So right now, we are below the 9 EMA. That's a bearish candle right there. So right now, we're going to go ahead and go in for a sell.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in the sell right now. I'm going to move this right above here. Give it some room to breathe. We are trading 4 contracts. 10 tick, take profit. Looking to be in and out of these trades pretty quickly. So right now, we're in a sell. Because we broke out, going on the downside. I've got my stop right above the 15-minute candle.
Target filled.
Okay, that's our first target, $200. So what I usually do to take these scalps is just reading price action. We've been going down. That's a very bearish candle right there. So we're just looking to get 10 ticks, a couple trades in. Looks like we got some momentum. We're not done going down. Go ahead and sell it right
Order
there.
filled.
Move my stop right above this candle.
Target filled.
That's 2 trades. Just look for pullback trades on the downside because we have this downside momentum.
Order submitted.
So it gets us in that trade.
Order filled.
We're in another trade on the downside. Just taking pullback trades.
Target filled.
Okay, that's 3 trades. These are all pullback trades on the downside. 15-minute candle. I like the 15-minute candle because it doesn't give you, I mean, look at these. These are pretty smooth moves. And once you learn how NQ moves, then you can just take little bits out of the market real quick. It's 8:53 right now. And then you could also be a contrarian trader. Like, I'm going to go ahead and put a buy trade in just because NQ pulls back. So
Order filled. Target
right
filled.
there. You got to be quick on these trades. Even though it's selling, I'm going against momentum, but
Order submitted.
another one right here where the 200's at. So we pull back that far. I'm going to go ahead and go in for a sell right
Order
there.
filled. Target filled.
It goes. It's 970. Let's see if it comes down here and gets us in another trade. Makes a run. Right now we're out of the 15 IBR. So what I found out, usually if it goes out of the IBR, if it stays out, it will continue going. But if it comes in here in the ranges, then you're just going to have a range day. So we're not done going down. I'm just taking pullbacks on
Order
this.
submitted.
I've got a buy here right at the 200, a sell here. Just taking 10 ticks out of the market. So you can see. See, I'd rather take a sell right at the mid candle. Let's see if it gets us in our buy right here. It should get us in and out pretty quickly, especially at the 200. So that's a pullback. These are all pullback trades on the downside. It's 8:55 right now, so another 5-minute candle. That's still a pullback to the downside. I don't believe we're done going down just from these red candles here.
Order filled.
There you go. We're in another trade. I'm going to move my stop right here. Just let it play out. As you can see, it's going against me. That's a deep pullback, but let's see what happens.
Target
There
filled.
it goes.
Order canceled.
I'm going to cancel that out. Just taking pullback trades. I'm still going to put my buy
Order
in
submitted.
here. See, those are all pullback trades. And all you're really doing is just looking for 10 ticks. See. pivot points right here. This is the open. So it opened here, went up, never came back, but we did break through the open, broke through the pivot. S1's down here. It's probably not done running. Probably go to S1. We're just scalping right now. Trying to make a move.
Order
Back here,
submitted.
I'm going to go ahead and get into another sell trade going on the downside. Got a buy limit right here. See if it
Order
can trade
filled.
us in. I'm going to go ahead and move this right here. As you can see right there, they're going to make a run real quick. Just need to pull back and get us out of this trade here. That's what happens when you go against the momentum there. But usually it'll pull back. NQ is good for getting in and out of. But your entry's got to be precise. See that? 1370 on 4. It may pull back all the way here. That's a good chance to take a... I'm going to go ahead and take a quick sell on that. Because that pulled back all the way. Then if it pulls back here, I'm going to go ahead and take another sell there.
Target filled.
There's another pullback trade. And this is a 15-minute. You can take buys and sells within this. And you can read the price, what's happening. And because I'm using 4 contracts, my take profit there is 10. I want to be in and out of these trades. Because it will fluctuate in price where I can get in and out of these trades pretty quickly, especially with 4 contracts. If I was using 1, I'd probably just leave this at 15 and scale in. But I'm just taking 1 trade at a time on these. So I'm going to put another penny buy right at S1. So this is the 15-minute open range, which I didn't take any trades in. Waiting for this next candle to see what the move was. So we came outside of the 15 range and kept going. So as soon as I know that, I was going to be on sell trades on pullbacks, especially on the 15. So this is the 9 o'clock. So this right here is actually the 30-minute range, as you can see that. But with the 15-minute range, we're looking for faster moves. So if this was a 34 trading 30-minute range, we are at the bottom of the range, which still gives us a chance to get out of that range. But let's see what happens. Just testing this out here. You see we're at the 200. This is a good place to buy to go back into that 15-minute range. But let's just wait and see. We're at the 200 supports right here. Probably go down to this important one, S2 and S3. Since we've had that big move up. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait and see. I like looking at the price. So right now, this 15, this next 15. So 30-minute candles red in the past. Let's see here. Yeah, we've been trending down. There it goes. Just broke out of that 15. And since I'm only looking for 10 ticks, that's how quickly NQ can move. Still on downside momentum. We broke that. Let's see if it comes up here. We've already broken this, so that is a lower. This candle will create a lower low from this low here. We've got a sell limit right here. Let's put it right here. That would be a deep pullback there. At least half of this candle.
Order
Take sell
filled.
on that. Put this stop right above here. So we got the downside momentum there. So you're just scalping for a few ticks. 4 contracts.
Target
There it
filled.
goes. Got me in.
Order canceled.
I've got another buy limit right here at the S1. As you can see, this is our 15-minute range. This is our 30-minute range, which you can also scalp from there, but I'm going to leave it here because I like these 15-minute levels. The 15-minute level is way bigger than the 30, unless you've got a breakout that just keeps trending on down. Looks like this day may be a trending down day, but let's see. I've got a buy limit at the S1. So if it triggers us in, let's see what happens. Usually it'll make a retrace. Like 10 ticks is really nothing for NQ to hit and take out. So if it triggers us in this trade, gets us out, and then we'll be done scalping, practicing on the 15-minute range there. Almost at S1. Now, if you're going to buy going against the trend right now, you have to make sure you're at levels where you're in and out of trades. Like S1, it will hit it, and it usually plays around like it does now. So See, if I was trading micros on here, I'll be taking all the retracements. So this is the low of the day right now. Going from lower low to lower low. Low here. It's low there. This is the new low. Just scalping. These are good scalps to go back into this range here, to the 15-minute level. Looks like we're just consolidating here until it makes a move. It's 9:07 right now. I just want to see you get me in this trade and see what happens. Usually should get me in and out pretty quickly. You can see these candles are getting shorter. 15, 15, consolidating. Looks like we're trying to make a move back to the upside here. Didn't quite come down to S1, but the 15-minute candle is not finished yet, so. See, as you can look at the price, now it's trying to make its way back into the 15-minute IBR. But keep in mind, this is the 30, and this is so far the hour range. Because we already have this up move going up, we'll go ahead and get in if it comes and gets us in a trade here. So I may take a stab at a sell trade, because this may be a pullback going on the downside. I'm just reading price. It's got momentum going up, so if it comes back and gets me in a trade, back into that 15-minute range. There goes, I'm in.
Order filled. Target filled.
That's how fast those things move. I'm going to take a quick sell if it gets here. Right at the IBR. There it is. I'm going to
Order
take that.
filled.
Took a sell right at the IBR level. Just going to let it play out. Got my stop right above here.
Target
There it
filled.
goes. I've got another buy right there. Let's see if it gets me in, and then we'll be done testing this out. Quick scalps.
Order filled.
I'm in there. Go and move my stop right below 15. You can see that number there. $9.13. Expect that to make another push on the upside.
Target
There it goes.
filled.
All right, that was an iffy trade, but okay. Scalping the 15-minute range. Took some scalps on the downside, went back. All I'm really looking for is 10 ticks, 4 contracts, and you do go through some drawdown, but you got to be in and out of these trades pretty quick.